This channel is a little definition of growing up on YouTube. It was started on 18th June this year. By July 1st, it had accumulated over 1 million subscribers. Fast forward to September 20th, it had over 3 million subscribers. The best part is that the videos are very easy to create using AI. In this one, I'm going to show you how to use AI tools to create viral Roblox videos like ML Roblox. Let's get started. Before we get started, let me just show you one of the videos from ML Roblox.
Let me move this for you. I will troll you, Amy.
Help me!
These kinds of videos are really blowing up on YouTube right now. Let's look at her channel. You can see that tons of her videos are getting really millions of views each and every single day. For us to create a video like this, first we need to find the video that we want to emulate. And then you need to take a screenshot of the girl that will be the commentator. You can use the snipping tool in your PC to take the screenshot of the commentator that you like the most. Once we have the screenshot, we can now go to ChatGPT. Inside ChatGPT, paste the screenshot and ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt. In this case, you can ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt for generating a photo like that, or a prompt for creating the actual video in Veo 3. In my case, I ended up using both methods. First, I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt for generating a photo like that one. And ChatGPT gave me the prompt, and I took the prompt to a free Google image generator called Google Image FX. Google Image FX gave me 4 photos. Among the 4 photos, I like this one the most. So I downloaded the photo, but before I went to Google Veo 3, I went back to ChatGPT and I asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt for creating a video of the girl in photo. And ChatGPT gave me the prompt for generating the video. I took the prompt and the photo that I generated in Image FX to Google Veo 3. Inside Google Veo 3, I uploaded the image and I added the prompt and I clicked generate. After a few seconds, here's the video that I got.
Let me try one trick. I'm gonna get him. Get trolled.
Again, like I said, you can use a photo as a reference, or you can just use the prompt that you get from ChatGPT. So I also use the prompt that I got from ChatGPT to generate the videos without using image reference. And here is also the video that I generated.
I can't believe I actually pulled that off. Wait, no way, no way, no way. Yes, let's go.
As you can see, these videos, they do not have the Roblox itself. The next step, we need to create the actual Roblox. And for this one, we have also 2 ways in which we can go about it. The first way is the one that I really recommend. You play the game yourself and you screen record the video until you finish, and then you put that video in form of shorts. If you don't have Roblox account, go ahead and download the software onto your computer, and then after installing it, you're going to be prompted to sign up. Go ahead and fill in the form to sign up. Once you sign up, on the search bar, search this lab. If you actually play this game, you are going to realize that this game is very enjoyable. Go ahead and start playing this game. We are going to find the viral moments, and we are going to use those viral moments to convert them into the shorts. Another way in which you can get the Roblox videos is on YouTube. Go on YouTube and search Slap Tower. You can also search Slap Tower moments or crazy Slap Tower moment. And then go ahead and download the long form video that you can use to convert it into shorts. Once you have the Roblox video, then you can put the video together in the video editor of your choice. In my case, I went to CapCut and I put the video together. In CapCut, since I was creating shorts, I changed the aspect ratio to 9:16. And then I dragged and dropped my commentator into the timeline. Next, I found the most viral moment in the video that I downloaded, in the Roblox video that I downloaded. And then I arranged the video so that they should stack perfectly on top of each other to create a seemingly viral Roblox shot. In the end, this is the video that I created. Take a look.
Oh my gosh, did you see that? I can't believe I actually pulled that off. Wait, no way, no way, no way. Yes, let's go.
Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video to this part. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Otherwise, peace out.